Good day, ma'am. So today we are going to dive into a case study involving critical ethical breakdowns in IT. We'll look at the action of the management, the IT worker, and the end users to understand where things went wrong and who is ultimately responsible. Together with my group mates, Mr. Kumia and Mr. Fernandez. For the contents of our report, we will have the identification of issues, relationship analysis, concept application, and ethical judgment. And lastly is the conclusion. And for the identification of issues, it will be discussed by Mr. Kimia.
Okay, now let's move on to the identification of issues. There are three major ethical violations happening simultaneously in this case. We found out that the safety and security, the trade secret leakage, and unauthorized access and piracy are happening. So first off is the safety and security. The company compromised user safety by ignoring reported vulnerabilities for profit. Second, the frustrated employee violated their NDA by stealing code. And lastly, the users themselves engage in piracy and unauthorized sharing. Now for the relationship analysis. So what are the relationships of those three issues and the people? First, safety and security involves the relationship between the IT worker, employer, and users. The IT worker reported a security issue, but the employer failed to act, which led to the exposure of private user data. Second, trade secret leakage. This involves the IT worker and employer. The IT worker violated the confidentiality agreement by stealing or leaking important company information. And lastly, the unauthorized access and software piracy involves the IT user. The user accessed or used software illegally, which violates the terms of service and copyright laws. These cases shows the importance of following ethical responsibilities in the use of management of technology. Now for the key ethical concepts.
For the key ethical concepts, applying IT ethics concepts to this case, we see an attempt at internal whistleblowing that was ignored. The source code stolen qualifies as a trade secret that uh, the user's actions clearly fall under software piracy, and both the users and the employee are guilty of misusing system resources. And for the ethical judgments, so what should have happened? The employee should have tried to fix the issue quietly or simply resigned. Stealing company property is never justified. The company was highly unethical for putting profit over safety. Finally, the users are also in the wrong. Accounts sharing and piracy introduce major security risk.
The conclusion, who is the most responsible? So our verdict is the organization. So while everyone made bad choices, the organization bears the ultimate responsibility. By caring more about money than user protection, they set a terrible ethical standard. Good behavior must start at the top. When a company ignores ethics, it breaks the trust of both its workers and its users, triggering a domino effect of bad behavior. And that's all for our reporting. Thank you for listening.